the Albritton Bell Tower. So we're gonna like walk up underneath it. It's fabulous. Anyway, there's this stupid traffic circle here, I guess. So I'm gonna navigate it as a pedestrian. See, they're already running over people. I'll be right back. I can't disagree with the sentiment. You gotta appreciate this kind of go-get-em attitude. It's so rare. It's a lot of spirit. He's just driving around in circles. It's kind of funny. Surely he's not sober. Oh, it's interesting and all. He's gonna run me down if I'm not quick. I told you we'd get to the middle. Alright, so here's the bell tower. Nothing special. It's pretty new too. This isn't like an ancient bell tower. Here's what it says. I ring with pride and honor for all past, present, and future students at Texas A&M University. Yeah, we lost our entertainment for the evening. And this is the other side. I ring, I sing, I feel with a mighty force my love for God, family, and country, and for that part of my heart which has never left these hallowed halls. Albritton himself. So, there you go. It's like a shrine, kind of. Except it's a bell tower. And this is where this silly traffic circle spits out onto. See? Even this guy hates it. It's no fun. There's a 9 out of 10 chance that they stop and harass me, so could be a more interesting video that way. Anyway, I guess we'll go on our merry way, but one last look up the Albritton Bell Tower.